It's Miyah Styles, where everything is hair related. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing y'all how I prep my hair for my protective styles. Basically, just what products I use before I wash my hair, well, while I'm washing my hair and everything else. So if you're interested in seeing that, keep on watching. Don't forget that like button. Subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification bell so you get notified every time I post.
First, I'm starting off by rinsing my hair with pretty hot water, close to scorching. Not gonna lie, I like my water really hot. Then I'm taking my Curl and Shine shampoo by Shea Moisture, and that's about how much I'm taking at first. Just trying to scrub my scalp at first, just worrying about, you know, getting all the product off my scalp. Then taking my second, and then that's where I'm going to be more so focusing on my hair and my scalp at the same time. After I've been scrubbing for about 5 minutes, I like to take some more hot water and rinse out that soap as much as I can. Then following with the Curl and Shine conditioner by Shea Moisture, I'm just going to be applying that much at first, trying to get as much as possible all over my head. Then I'm taking about that much again and putting it all over my head, and then I leave it in for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I rinse it with some super cold water just so I can seal in that moisture from the conditioner. So I just like to towel dry my hair. This is what it looks like after. I don't know why I made that face. But then I'm taking a blow dryer, and I'm going to be also using my paddle brush and a pick. And the blow dryer is going to be on the cool setting, and then I'm just going to use the paddle brush to kind of follow with the blow dryer at the same time, using the, I guess it's called the chase method. So basically you're just chasing the blow dryer with the brush. And once I get it pretty much blown out on the cool setting, I like to switch it on to the warmer setting. And then after I've blown it out how I like it, you know what I'm saying, I just pick it just to help with the stretching of my hair, just so it's easier to be gripped, you know, while doing hairstyles. Then I'm taking some vitamin E oil. I switch up my oils here and there, so this is not the only oil that I ever use, but this is the oil I'm using today. And I'm just taking, you know, what you saw and putting it on my hair, trying to distribute it as much as possible. And now it's ready to be styled.
Okay, so I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget that like button so I know. Comment down below what you want to see in a future video. Subscribe. Hit the bell so you get notified every time I post. I post every single Saturday if you didn't know. And I'll just be seeing y'all in next Saturday's video. Peace.